Chuff, meaning if you are really pleased or delighted about something. I was absolutely chuffed when I met you. She is chuffed listening to the music. Cringe means embarrassing, awkward, or uncool. Watching that movie made me cringe the entire time. The TikTok dance they attempted was so cringe. Dishy means very attractive and pretty. I heard that new actor is quite dishy. He's so dishy. Block means a man or fellow. I met this block at the pub last night. Yesterday he had conversation with a friendly block. Dodgy. Something suspicious, unreliable or questionable. I wouldn't trust that website. It looks a bit dodgy to me. His appearance shows he is dodgy. Bonkers means mentally unbalanced, mad or crazy. His dance moves at the party were totally bonkers. The roller coaster ride was absolutely bonkers.